Although most roofing systems are built to withstand long years of use and exposure to the elements, roof damage can occur at any time. Some of the common indications of roof damage include missing or cracked shingles, damaged underlayment and flashing, leaking, and even ripped roofing due to wind blow-offs. When any of these happen, roof replacement should be your priority. The roof of your home, just like any other part of a residential structure, can succumb to years of wear and tear. The roof shingles may already be warped or missing a few pieces, or there may be leaks under the roof and on the ceiling. These are indications that you should start planning for house re-roofing plans and expenses. According to Home Advisor, the 2018 national average roof replacement cost is $7,785. Low-end roof replacement cost is at $1,200, while roofing efforts that employ expensive materials and techniques can reach over $30,000. Taking care of the roof of your home is tantamount to taking care of your entire home and household. If you have been planning to have your roof checked or replaced altogether, talk to us. We have qualified and licensed roofing and re-roofing contractors who can take on a wide variety of roofing and replacement works near Greenville. Whether you require asphalt, tile, or wood shingles, we can complete any re-roofing project for you. Get in touch with a roof replacement specialist by calling 864-990-4836 today.